do some more bike riding at Shelby Bottoms, and it's got this cool train track bridge. It goes all the way across it. Are y'all ready for another bicycle journey? Yeah? No? Alright. There's a train coming. We have no idea if it's gonna come on the tracks, but look how close that jet is to it. Come up closer to it. I'm pretty sure this thing doesn't get used anymore, but it is massive. It's cool. You ready for some time lapse? Let's do it. Oh, oh. Here we go. Flip the camera. All right, folks, there's the rules. Speed limit 15. Yeah. I think I'll be all right then. Y'all ready? Wasn't a very long time lapse, but I came up to something cool, so I thought I'd show you guys. Alright, so here we are at a bridge. Goes over the river. That was not an easy trail coming up, y'all. That was not easy. But another bike ride. About to get a killer shot of the river. Pretty. Look at all the rock walls and stuff. The water is like glass. I am out of breath. I'll be ready to turn back any minute. And there's the other way. Now, let's roll without pedaling to this really cool sculpture. I'll pedal a little. Hope you guys like these bike riding videos. I'm enjoying making them. I need some brakes. Yeah, like this cool sculpture made out of shovels and rakes and stuff. Tool Fire. Christopher Fennell, 2013. Pickaxe. That's a cool sculpture. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, back to some more time lapsing. Well, I'm wore out. we come to the end of our ride. Give you all this to check out. I'll tell you what, after a day of work, 8 hours of work, a 5-mile bike ride, that ain't no joke. Much love around the globe. Thanks for supporting me on my Patreon, on my Spreadshirt, and anybody who tries to watch every single video. It's pretty cool, isn't it? See you guys on the next one. Mark Fun Jones out for now. I stand corrected. That's what we did. Almost 7 miles, or well, 6.5. Top speed 23 miles an hour. Keep in mind that was my brother's top speed. But yeah, good times, good times. And there's what we did. There and then back. Woohoo! Fart on. Well, rather than make another video, my brother decided to show me this cave. That's from the 20s or something. And it's raining, but I'll just add this at the end. Special extra bonus cave. Are you guys ready? Oh. Looks pretty cool. Looks steep. And it is raining. This is cool. It's not a very deep cave, but it's got seats. Yeah, check it out. Check it out, y'all. I'm into Earth. Isn't that pretty wicked? You guys gonna want to go read this stuff. Look how dirty I am from work, and I still went and did all this. Adventurous I am today. All right, it's gotta have stuff to read about it. I don't see no stuff to read. There probably was stuff. I guess not. Back up the steps. Alright, well there's a bonus. People have cave parties here in the 20s, I guess. And you wouldn't know it. My brother's here with me, and I'm just good at not filming him. With you. He's right there. That's impressive. I thought the same thing. I started filming. I see like a skull in it. Doesn't it look like a skull, kinda?